Grimace Shake. Nutrition information. Calories 341. Fat 15 grams. Carbs 43 grams. Fiber 2 grams. Sugar 36 grams. Protein 8 grams. Ingredients. 1 cup fresh raspberries, 140 grams. Or a quarter cup raspberry jam. 1 teaspoon honey. Omit if using jam. 1 cup vanilla ice cream, 150 grams. 1 cup milk of choice, 240 milliliters. Half a cup frozen blueberries, 70 grams. Half a cup frozen strawberries, 70 grams. 1 teaspoon blue spirulina powder. Whipped cream, for topping. Rainbow sprinkle, for topping. Preparation. If using fresh raspberries, mash them into a paste and mix in the honey. Add the vanilla ice cream. Milk. Frozen blueberries. Mashed raspberries. Or raspberry jam. Frozen strawberries. And spirulina to a blender and blend until smooth. Pour the shake into serving glasses and top with whipped cream and sprinkles. We'd love to hear what you think. Share your thoughts and feedback in the comments below. Don't hesitate to ask for your favorite recipes. Let us know what you'd like to see in our upcoming. Enjoy!